Hi guys, today we're going to introduce the linkage, master and backup on Kommander. In this mode, if an issue arises on the master server, it automatically switches to the backup output, ensuring the event remains unaffected. To connect the master and backup, we need to set up a LAN environment. For detailed configuration, please refer to our previous IP setup tutorial. Currently, I am connecting the master and backup using a network cable and assigning custom IP addresses. Once the LAN environment is set up, open the Kommander software. Select backup on the backup side, and on the master device. After creating a project, select master and make sure you checked connect backup here. Click find and you should see the backup device's IP address. There is no password by default, but if needed you can set one in settings, system, program. Click update to synchronize between the master and backup. Also, click switch on the backup device for seamless switching between master and backup. If new media is added on the master device, the backup device will need to click update again to sync the content. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.